Hey everyone, this is Scott Specker with 5-Star Painting. Typically in a beautiful neighborhood like this, we do the clubhouse, we paint the homes that are in the neighborhood. Today we're actually here to recoat that mushroom that's behind me. It's going from blue to green. The green is going to actually match the slide. We're using a special coating on this. The reason you want to use us is for a couple reasons. One, we actually use a product that is not found in this area. It's specifically designed to handle the UV and the chlorine or salt that actually happens in this in these pools. Secondly, because you hire us, we will prep this properly. Behind me you can see that it was currently sanded. We're in the middle of doing this. I can't wait to see how it's going to turn out at the end. We're going to put 2 coats of a special coating on this and it's going to look fantastic. And here we are. 2 coats later, we properly prepped it. We've cleaned it, and here we are. Matches the slide. Give us a call, 5-Star Painting. We'll take care of your mushroom for you.